Wait, my name is Prudent. I am a student of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, and I have secured a All India rank of 4191 in JEE Advanced 2023. After scoring such a good rank, because all of my hard work for the past 2 years have finally paid off, and using this rank I'll be able to choose between several different IITs. My advice to my juniors would be to start studying from the beginning and practice lots of questions so that you develop your problem solving abilities and skills. And also for certain topics, like for instance organic chemistry, pay attention in class right from the beginning, because later on as the portion starts getting more difficult, you will find difficulties in understanding the subject properly.
I am Dr. Prudent, father of Warren Tavares. Today is indeed a very proud moment for me to stand here because my son has won the fruits of his hard work. He's got 4191st rank for the IIT JEE Advanced, and all his efforts have really paid off. Special thanks to the principal of Estellar Academy and all the teachers of Estellar Academy who have guided him so well in his last 2 years in preparation for all his entrance exams, and it indeed is a very proud moment for all of us.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.